Whenever I post a video of my bioluminescent phytoplankton, you guys always have so many questions for me on where I got it from and how I take care of it. So if you're curious, then this video is for you. So first, I got everything from PyroFarms. This is their website here, and they have everything you need and more to get started with your phytoplankton and to care for them long term, so definitely check them out. As for the care, I think a lot of you will be surprised to learn that this phytoplankton is pretty low maintenance. It's actually quite similar to a plant, which is why I keep it here with all of my other plants. And you don't have to feed it every day because it photosynthesizes its food. So I keep mine under a grow light, but you can also keep yours next to a window that receives bright and direct sunlight. But you have to be careful because they are a little bit sensitive to temperature and UV radiation. You can also see here that they are unicellular organisms, and in terms of their life cycles, they usually live for a couple of days to a week, but they reproduce really quickly, so if you give them the right conditions, then you can keep them alive forever. Now let's talk about the do's and don'ts for these. Now you have to be very gentle with them. Do not shake them under any circumstance. You want to just gently swivel them around like this because you want to avoid damaging their cell membrane. Also, these guys are sensitive to temperatures, so you want to keep them between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit in order to keep them happy. Now, I give them some fresh air every week or so. They have holes in the top of their containers, but they always like fresh oxygen. And another thing is, you also have to give them nutrients about once a month. So whenever you see a lot of them congregating at the top of the water line like this, you know that there are a lot of them and they need some nutrients. I also got these nutrients from PyroFarms, and when you're adding them to your container, make sure you only add a little bit at a time, otherwise it's overkill. This is what the nutrients look like in their packaging. They last for about 6 months, which is nice. And another cool thing about the phytoplankton is that you can propagate them from one container to the next. And I would actually suggest doing this because if you have one batch that dies, you can still have other batches that you can continue to cultivate and take care of. So it's almost like an insurance policy. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about the care for this phytoplankton. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comments, and I hope you learned something new.